in a small vehicle can now take on an entire armor column with an air defense system with ease.
We just flew 4 drones in a swarm, 3 different targets, something that's never been done in history before.
We're seeing drones today already on the battlefield. The next step are swarms.
You can make any warfighter an absolute deadly and lethal element. It's incredible.
Congratulations, you're a swarm operator now.